Today we're diving into the features of the PLZ 9-inch portable wireless Apple CarPlay screen for your car, a game-changer for tech-savvy drivers. This innovative device seamlessly integrates with your smartphone via wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, offering smart voice control through Siri and Google Assistant for a truly hands-free experience. Equipped with a 4K dashcam and a 1080p backup camera, this system ensures crystal-clear video capture and enhanced safety with its G-sensor technology, automatically locking recordings during sudden movements. The 9-inch IPS touchscreen provides precision navigation and universal compatibility, working flawlessly with vehicles ranging from 7 to 24 volts. Enjoy versatile audio options with Bluetooth music streaming, FM transmitter, aux connectivity, and built-in speakers, allowing you to tailor your sound experience to your liking. Plus, the automatic screen brightness adjustment optimizes visibility in any driving condition, making your journey as comfortable as it is connected. With this all-in-one car stereo solution, elevate your driving experience to new heights, ensuring every trip is a tech-infused delight.